Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Raymond Gonzalez, and I just want to take a moment to talk about the iSTEAM program here at Fordham Prep. Why pursue iSTEAM? Isn't that a great question? Well, it's part of our Jesuit pedagogy. We must positively impact our surroundings as part of our learning. So we care about iSTEAM. Also, investing in quality science education could be considered a matter of national security. STEAM education activities may provide a roadmap towards college readiness and potential future employment. We are guided by Roger Bybee's STEM literacy, his framework, and it frames basically what we do. So, quickly, what is STEM literacy? It is the knowledge, attitudes, and skills to identify questions and problems in life situations, explain the natural and design world, and draw evidence-based conclusions about STEM-related issues. Also, a willingness to engage in STEM-related issues with the ideas of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics as a constructive, concerned, and reflective citizen. So there are a bunch of different ways that we're approaching STEM. For example, via curriculum review, social justice, innovation projects, Project Lead the Way, clubs, problem-based learning, and interdisciplinary collaboration. In our new COVID environment, the two strongest ways that we're accomplishing iSTEAM objectives are through innovation and clubs. We have a bunch of really good clubs like the Jazz Ensemble, Esports, Cyber Patriot, Robotics, Aviation, Marine Biology, 3D printing. We do all these clubs so that we give them real world exposure to design thinking and problem-based learning. So one of the things I'd like to talk about is 3D printing at the prep. A year ago, we purchased a MakerBot 3D printer. That allowed us to print jobs that can occur at about one per day. We've now, as of this presentation, ordered 2 Jellybox 3D printers that the students will actually assemble. By assembling these 3D printers, prep students will improve their design thinking and 3D printing capabilities. I look forward to seeing the completion of this project. Robotics. This is where we've also made some changes for this year. In year 1 of robotics, we utilized Connect's Robotics to teach basic programming, robot assembly, and coding. This year, we switched to the VEX V5 system in preparation for the eventual competition level robotics team. VEX also offers a VR robotics package for full remote students, so they can code it and operate it in the virtual world. This is just an example of some of the things that we do as part of iSTEAM. I'm trying to keep this under 3 minutes. None of this could be possible without thanking those who are there. So to all the teachers that make this awesome, thank you. I look forward to meeting with you parents this year, and iSTEAM is doing good stuff. Thank you again.